All right, we're here today doing a little behind the scenes, show you guys this listing that we're taking some photos, some video content, getting ready to put it on the market. We're in the Harvest community of Queen Creek today. And this one's really cool. It's getting hard these days to find houses in gated communities over 3,500 square foot, killer backyard, pool. Seems like under $1 million bucks. But the cool thing is we're listing this one just under $1 million. And like I said, it's really nice, 3,500 square foot, 5 bed. It's got a 3.5 bath on it. The really cool thing about this one is on the inside, they did a ton of updates, really cool, like little details. They changed out the railing on the staircase, just upgraded a lot of stuff. The backyard is also super nice. So I'm excited for this one. This community's killer. You guys will see it's got a really cool lake set up on it, community park, hang out. Like I said, this section's in the gated area, but let me go inside and show you guys this one real quick. This one actually has, it's a little deceiving. It's got a 2-car garage from the front, but it's actually deep. So it's a full 3-car on the inside. And like I said, on this one, they did a lot of really cool, tasteful updates on it. And that's what I think is really gonna sell this one for the person that wants a kind of newer home. This one's only a couple years old, but has tons of updates on it. That's where they did right on this. Let me show you guys this one here. We got a really cool office up there. Check out this freaking great room. I mean, they got a huge vault on this one, which makes this room feel massive on it, which I really, really like. And this is what I was talking about, just the little details on this. So it used to have wooden railing. They took this out, had this all full custom made on it. Then a full accent wall that basically goes all the way from the floor up to the ceiling on this one, which basically that alone makes it look huge in here, which is a really cool detail. That's something super simple and easy to do. So for those of you guys that have a house right now or a new build, if you want to do something that's super affordable and adds details, just little stuff like this. So you guys come on in here, check out the kitchen. It's got the really nice cabinet package on this one, tons of storage. They even went as far as adding crystalline lights in there, which came out nice. One thing I like about this too, if you got dual sliders, so when the weather's really nice, you could open up this whole wall here off the living room. And then it's got another slider right there. So just tons of natural lighting. As you can see, we really don't have a ton of lights on in here. It's still super bright. Another really cool accent wall, cool lighting. Another nice thing is the master, the primary bedroom, downstairs on this one. All the kids' rooms, a loft, all that is upstairs. This one's downstairs. Again, really cool accent wall. Like I said, nothing crazy. These are really easy to create, but it completely transforms the look of this and gives it a lot of character, which I like. You know, it's always a thing for parents. They want that separation, right? When you have a lot of kids and they're playing, making a whole ton of noise. I remember that's how it was with me. Go upstairs, right? You guys want your own livable space, which is nice. The other part of it is too, is, you don't have to climb up and down stairs. So the kids can go up there, but you've got your own space right down here, which is nice. I like the window on this one too. If you kind of look out that real quick, it overlooks right on the pool. So even from the master suite here, look right out the window, you have a really killer view of the pool and the hot tub there. So that's pretty sweet. Huge, just open master bathroom. So they skipped the tub on this one and opted for the massive shower, which I personally like. I think that was a better idea. I don't know a whole lot of people even use bathtubs anymore. So to me, this was a better feature right here. It's got the rain shower head on there. Like I said, really open. It's big, feels less cluttered in my opinion, which I like. Let me go show you guys this backyard. This is one of my things I really like about this place because they didn't cheap out on it. They did it right. It's super functional. Check out the clean marble decking on this one that they did, which came out nice. We've got full turf and some little bistro lights, but check out the pool. It's got a cool Baja shelf, tons of sitting areas in there. It's got a nice hot tub in the corner over there. Like I said, it's a super functional and usable backyard, which I like. No wasted space on this one, but aesthetically came out really, really clean and it looks great with all the windows on the house. So this one's turnkey. You don't need to do anything. You could totally move into this place. It doesn't need any updates. You can make little small tweaks and make it your own, but ultimately this one's ready to go. So I'm excited to bring it to the market. We should have the photos and videos done today. You guys can let me know your thoughts in the comments.